We did not come to play, boo. We came to slay. Bonjour, bonsoir, buenos dias, buenas noches. What's up, y'all? So today we are going to be checking out this new wig that I got from Celie. I believe that's the name. Celie Hair. Beauty Start from Celie Hair. That's what it says. Yeah, I didn't make that up. So yeah, guys, make sure you subscribe, click the notification bell, put it to all so you get all of my awesome videos. We're on our 50K journey and we're at 48,000 something. So we're moving right along. We're less than 2K away. So let's get it. So I'm going to be doing a human hair clipping giveaway as well as some other goodies. So I got you, boo. Let's do this. So within the package, they gave this little flyer talking about their places that you could find them, their YouTube, Instagram, AliExpress, Facebook, and all that good stuff. So I'll put a link to them down below if you're interested. This is a cute little mirror. I'm saying it's cute. I don't even know how it looks. I'm assuming that it's a cute little mirror. Oh, this is cool. It has like a little button you press. Ooh, I'm big. I like. It's nice and clean too. So yeah. This is going to come in handy. I think I like this. Because it's like one of them is magnifying. So even if I don't have my contacts on, I can still see myself. So that's cool. And it's cool. It has like a little gem thing on top. This is nice. So what else we got in here? Something else is in there. Oh, one of these little net caps. I like to put those on, especially like right now how my hair is not braided. I like to put them onto the cap sometimes because it's just bomb. So I came in this. I'll leave the specs to the wig down below. But it looks like, I'm trying to remember, it's a Water Wave 22-inch 13x6 lace front wig. I love, like, if you asked me what type of like curly or, you know, textured hair I like when I'm getting, I'll say water wave. Like, I've had enough water waves to say that I really enjoy a nice water wave wig. I could rock with body wave sometimes. I could also, I'm not the biggest fan of the loose wave, and the kinky depends. Sometimes not. Depends. It can be a toss up. So I want to move this back a little bit. Pardon my hairline. It's a little ashy. I was doing some other wig reviews earlier, so it's a little ashy up in there. I gotta wash it because it got like makeup. It's just. Alright, so let's see the cap construction. It has the, you know, little comb in there. It has the adjustable straps, which I usually do move it in, which I'm going to move it in right now because I'm pretty sure I will need to move it in. So, boom, boom, boom. Let's do this, boo. Yo, that's one thing. With nails, sometimes it be slowing me down. Not sometimes, like 85% of the time. That's why I only wear them when I'm going out or when I'm doing videos for the most part. Back in the days, I used to wear nails all the time, but that's before I had responsibilities. I had kids to take care of, food to cook, you know, all that other stuff. So this is how the wig looks. This is the color of the lace. I'm hoping that it'll look good. Sometimes that color lace will be ashy looking, which I don't like. Obviously, nobody wants no ashy looking lace. And also, we gotta see how we want to part her. So let's see. Yeah, I'm most likely going to have to put a little powder on there. What I'm going to start off by doing, though, where do you think I should put it, you guys? It looks a little short for 22 inches, to be honest with you guys. 22 inches for me is usually a little bit longer. This goes like mid back. I mean, I do have to take into consideration that it's water wave, but I do feel like when I have water wave, it do be a little bit longer. This more seems like 20 inches. But it's fine. It's fine. I'm not going to stress it. I'm trying to see where exactly I want the part. As far as the hair color itself, it's the natural color, which I'm not too fond of. If I do decide to keep this wig, I'm definitely going to dye it black. Now I'm just trying to decide if I want to do like a middle part or if I would prefer to do a side part. I feel like with water waves, I tend to do side a lot. So I'm thinking I might go ahead and do a middle this time around. So yeah. Just want to make sure I really get the middle. Yeah, middle would be like right here. Okay, so let's see. I'm not really the one that likes to do the whole, I'm gonna, you know, cut it off while it's on type of thing. So I'm gonna cut it off real quick, and then we're going to adhere the wig. I think I do need to loosen it out a little bit because it is average cap and it does feel pretty snug, especially because my hair is not braided. So I'm going to loosen it out just a little bit, and then we're going to start getting snatched. I think that what you call it, Creme of Nature, they're trying to rebrand their what you call it, their Snot, because I saw this something that looked just like it in a smaller tube that was like hold your edges or something about edges, and I was like, this looks like the same the whole entire thing looked the same. It just had a different name. So I don't know. It seemed a little suspect. While the edges are kind of doing its thing, I'm just trying to style it a little something. The parting space does go as true to what it says. Pretty darn good. I did use a little bit of my edges because I have the I didn't braid my hair. It's kind of making the cap a little bit tight. So I was like, you know what? Let me just use my own edges. So yeah. I'm gonna use a little bit of some edge control just to kind of sculpt it a little bit, make it look a little better. But I'm absolutely loving this style so far. Right here does look a little bit more dense than this side. So I do kind of feel like it has a little more hair. But I gotta change my battery. I'll show you the finished results. Alright you guys, so I'm all done. It is pretty on there. Like I said, it was a little bit, it didn't go down as far as I wanted it to go down just because my hair is not braided. So definitely, if you know, it's not super duper big head friendly, because if it was, then even with my hair unbraided, it would have fit nicely. But I do feel like it's kind of, you know, pulling back a little bit. If I didn't have the snot holding it down, I feel like it would be moving back a little bit more. But it is good. It's nice wig. Let me show you all the back. So that's the end, right? So it goes to like right over here. Okay, and yeah, the hair is cute. Got the little middle part popping. Only thing, like I said, this side does seem like it's a little more dense than this. And I'm pretty sure I did go ahead and put it. It is in the middle. So that means that this side of the hair has a little bit more than this one probably. Probably would have been good as a side part, but it's alright. It still looks cute. We still looking good. So this is Celie hair. You know, definitely you can check them out if you're interested. All information will be in the description area. Thanks for watching. Be sure to stay fabulous, live free, and soar limitless. I'll see you in the next one. Laters.